Hi, I'm Russell. I'm going to do a quick demo of audiounitjs, which is an Xcode scaffolding script that creates a project in which you write audio processing code using C++, and then a UI using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then from that, you can make a Mac standalone application, an iPhone application, and a Mac audio unit plugin that you can use in professional audio hosts like Ableton Live or Digital Performer or Apple Logic or any of those. So in this video, I'm just going to go through the install process and then run one of the examples that comes with it. So the first step is to install Node.js. This is a JavaScript runtime, and I use this to make the scaffolding script. That's why you need it. So you just install from nodejs.org, and then once you've installed it, you can run npm install-g audiounitjs from the command line. And this will download it from the package system, and now it's installed. So to get the examples, you can copy them from the place where this npm installed it, which for me is there, but for you it might be somewhere else. You can just copy this here. npm modules.js, and then the examples directory is what we want. And then you need -r because it's a directory. Okay, so now it's here. And then we go to examples. Hooray! So these are the two examples that come with it. 5-scope is an oscilloscope that we could do, and then monosine is a just monophonic sine wave synthesizer. So we'll do that one. And then the way the scaffolding script works is it uses a configuration JSON file that includes the name of the project, the type of audio unit. In this case, it's AUMU, which means synthesizer. There's documentation for this on the GitHub. And then all these other settings. So to actually make the scaffold, you can run audiounitjs monosine.json, and now it's going to create the scaffold for us. And once it's done, we can go into the directory it just made for us and then open the Xcode project. Okay, so right now it's just filled with boilerplate. The two files that you can edit are audio.cpp, which is just a standard Mac OS audio unit, which unfortunately, you do have to write with the Mac OS API, which isn't the easiest thing for new programmers. But then the cool part is the UI is just written in HTML. So you can just edit this to change what the UI is doing. So in this example, it comes with an audio.cpp that I've already written, so you can copy that into the project directory, and also a UI folder that I've already written. Okay, so now we've updated it, and this is the example UI for this monosine generator. So then you just you can choose monosine, and this will just give you a plugin version of it that you can use in Ableton Live, and monosine standalone is what we'll do. So it'll compile, and then it will run, and then you can press these squares, and it'll make a little sine wave for you. And the cool thing is you can also do a plugin, so you can do a 32-bit plugin, and you hit build, and it'll build, and then we can run Ableton Live, and then it shows up under test company because that's what we put in to the JSON file. Then right here, it acts as an Ableton Live synth, and you can see that from Ableton we can send it MIDI, and it's just an Ableton synth now. So the cool part is you write the UI once, and then it'll run as a plugin, as an application, and as an iPhone application, which we can just run in the simulator very quickly. Yep. and there it is. So that's the very same UI that we've just written once, and it runs in all three places. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, should make writing your UIs for audio applications a lot easier. Thanks.